friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows update error code 0x800f080a in Windows 10 and 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all, open your Windows settings, then click on Troubleshoot, then click on Other Troubleshoot. In this, you can see here Windows Update. Click on Run. Wait for completion. After completion, close this window. Open Command Prompt. Right click on Command Prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on S. Then type here sfc /scan now. Hit enter. Wait for 100%. Complete 100%. Type here one more command. DISM online cleanup -image restore health. Then hit enter. Close this window. After doing this, restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.